Welcome back. Now in this video tutorial, we are going to be looking at overcoming mindset blocks. Overcoming mindset blocks. Now this is very important that we look at it early enough in this course, because a lot of people usually start off very well, but for them to actually complete the course and take action, it's a major problem. And most of the time the problem has to do with the mind, and that is why we need to look at this, how you can overcome mindset blocks. Now, many of you are here to start on this journey because of limitations in your head. So you feel all excited 1 minute after reading the information, attending the training, and the next moment the excitement wanes off and you become crippled and cannot or could not take action. So we have a lot of experience like this interacting with students. I have seen a whole lot. A lot of them usually start off excited with a lot of energy, but along the line they just feel so bored, so overwhelmed, and then they quit. So that's why it's important that we look at this particular topic, how to overcome mindset blocks. Now, believe me, your mindset is a very powerful tool, so powerful that it can hold you back for decades or change you on. There's a popular saying that if you believe you can, you are correct. If you believe you cannot, you are also correct. So everything has to do with you. It has to do with your mindset. Okay, you cannot actually operate or behave above what is in your mind, above your belief system, above your thinking. So that's why it's important that right from the beginning, you have a positive mindset. So you are the only one who could stop yourself. No one can. So if you believe you can, then you can, and nothing in this world is powerful enough to stop you. On the other hand, if you believe you cannot, then no one in this world can help you. So everything depends on your mindset or your belief system, right? So it's important that you place emphasis at this point and early enough in this course on the need for a positive mindset. For you to be able to finish even this course, you will need a positive mindset. There are a lot of people who bought a lot of courses and hardly have they been able to go through one of them successfully. The reason is simple: mindset. So now let's look at 7 common limiting mindsets that have hindered people from taking bold steps that will transform their lives completely. So let's look at the 7 of them. The first one is this mindset: no degree, nothing to teach. Now these ones, they believe that since I don't have a degree, then I cannot teach any course. Now that is not entirely true. Your experience or result is enough to qualify you to teach. So there are a lot of people who don't go through school, they don't go through the formal training, yet they have enough experiences and they have a lot of results as social proof. So such people can leverage on the experiences and results to create a course. And a lot of people who will actually buy them, because we are gradually shifting away from degree and certificate into result-oriented goal. So that's why it's important that you understand that you don't have a degree shouldn't be a limiting factor. You can still teach out of your experience and out of the results you have gotten over the years. So people aren't interested in head knowledge. They want you to translate this head knowledge into something that will help them solve their problem or challenge. So people don't care about your certificate. They just want to have their problem fixed. They want to have their challenge surmounted. They want to have their pain gone. And if you could do this, then you are the right person. You are the right person for the job. So that is how this works. So don't limit yourself because you don't have a degree or certificate. Use your experience and result to create your course, and it will sell. Now, the second limiting belief or mindset is that I am not good enough. I am not an expert. Now, expertise is attained through doing. You don't become an expert by doing nothing. It is as you do that you gain expertise. So you can't be an expert doing nothing. Everyone goes through different stages in their journey. Anyone who is an expert now was once like you, a beginner, a novice, an amateur. So, but when they take a step, starting from being a beginner, they begin to climb the ladder. Okay, so every expert usually begins from the very lowest level, the beginner. So this begins with taking a step, being a beginner, and rising through the rank. So when you have started as a beginner, then you can continue to rise and rise until you become an expert. So it's important to know that even if you are at a beginner level, all right, there are millions of people beneath you. Yes, novices, those who have not even started anything. They don't even know their right from their left. So they will be looking up to you to show them how to climb up the beginner stage. Okay, so you are still better off. So at every level that we find ourselves, there are millions of people underneath us that are still looking up onto us for guidance. So in the process of teaching and doing, that is when you earn your skills, and get better at what you do. Okay, so it is as you do it, it's as you teach it, it is as you practice it that you get better at it. So brace up and just start. It gets better as you begin and move on, one step at a time, and before you know it, you will become master at what you do. All right, so the third one is no one will pay mindset. So some people believe that their course is not worth paying for. Okay, as long as you provide solution to people's problem, meet their needs, or help them solve their challenges, they will buy. They will exchange money for that value. So just put it together, brand it well, put it out there, and people will buy. Okay, number 4, limiting factors. I am not a techie or not techie enough. Okay, now no one was born a techie. We all have to learn or outsource it at any point. So to overcome this challenge, you either learn it, or if you find it very troublesome to learn, then you can outsource it. So either way, it shouldn't stop you. It shouldn't get in your way of creating your own online course. And then number 5, I am a shy person. I'm an introvert. So that's I'm shy mindset. Now, use this label, okay, for ourselves when it is convenient. Okay, everyone is a blend of both introvert and extrovert, doing different proportion. So when you say, I'm shy, when you say, I'm an introvert, it is not completely true, because everyone has a blend of both introvert and extrovert feature. Now, let me ask you a question. You say you are shy. Are you shy to talk to your siblings? Have you ever proposed to a girl? Have you ever defended a cause? Have you ever made presentation? Have you spoken to your friend regarding maybe a movie? So if you have ever done that, then it means you are not completely shy. You are not completely shy. So everyone has a blend of both introvert and extrovert feature. And so in creating a course, why don't you explore the extrovert part of you? So we always put up this excuse of being introvert most of the time because we are afraid of speaking up. So to some it is a fear of being rejected, turned down, or get told a no. So all of this is just a convenient way of trying to shy away from the responsibility of speaking up. The next one is the religious mindset. They will say, I don't think it's right making money from helping people. Some will even say you cannot help people and still earn from it. You need to get rid of that, okay? Because people naturally don't place value in things they get for free. That's the truth. If you give people things for free, they don't attach any value to it. That's why you organize free training. Wow, you are going to be frustrated, because when it's time for people to attend the training or to come up, you will see that a lot of people will not be turning up for that training because they are not paying anything. So no value is attached to free training or free anything. So to really get people to commit to a training, reading a book, then you need to invest in it. So when you help people make money through the online space by teaching them certain skills at a fee, you earn and they earn. It's a win-win. And the 7th one, self-pity mindset. Now, I am not good enough. I'm not pretty on camera. I am stage fright. I'm too young to teach. I'm too old to teach. All of these are just self-pity excuses. Can we just stop throwing a self-pity party on ourselves already? Why did all of this matters? Why focusing on the negatives when you can focus on your uniqueness? You can focus on what makes you to stand out. You can focus on what makes you to be different. Okay, first of all, what you need to do here is to start thinking positive. To start believing in yourself. Find your uniqueness and then begin to amplify it. Begin to make it glaring and obvious for everyone to see. So this is how you can actually overcome all these limiting mindsets. And then with that, you'll be able to take a bold step, finish any online course you take, and then become master in whatever digital skills you intend to become master in. I hope this helps. So as we proceed through this course, I need you to overcome all limiting mindsets that will prevent you from finishing the course and taking a bold step of creating a course for yourself. So I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.